We got a Buckeye Ultramax car hauling trailer here. We got 3-foot flip down extensions in the front. This trailer has the extra light package, the button lights. That thing that you're seeing right there, that's a work light. It's got night lights. Spare tire's missing. We'll put one in when you buy this trailer. We got a toolbox on this side. The ramps aren't on here right now, but ramps come with, the aluminum ramps. Tandem axle doors. We got the rear ramp storage feature. The rear ramps lay right down in there, so you can just pull them off the back and use them instead of having to have them on the side. Then it's got the 2-foot ramp extension that slides out the back. You can extend the trailer a couple feet out the back, latches into place there. Come on around the other side. It's a new trailer we got a hold of. It's hydraulic brakes. That's the hydraulic brake toolbox right there. Come up through here. This baby's got 3 toolboxes. Little step ladder to get up on. There's another of your night light, work lights peeking around the corner there. That's a nice, really nice feature, loading in the dark. You might think you'll never load in the dark, but can't beat being prepared. Another work light right there. The switch is right in that back toolbox there. So, and now I can open up the toolbox here and show you what's in here. Right up there is your light switch. So, want to get into the business hauling cars? You don't want to buy a new trailer. I mean, like a 2026. But you want a new one? There you go. She's here waiting on you.